оказалась в ловушке на кондиционере на высоте 33 этажа. Она провела там уже 3 недели. Но жители не знали, как же ей помочь. Наконец, они решили кое-что попробовать. Они используют сачок, в котором лежит еда. Но действовать нужно очень осторожно. Ведь кошка буквально стоит на краю пропасти. Прошло 5 часов, а кошка все еще в ловушке. Спасателям нужен новый план. Они пытаются подцепить кошку с помощью петли на длинной палке. А потом использовать большой сачок, чтобы поймать ее. Наконец, им удалось затащить кошку на балкон. Сначала бедняжку нужно осмотреть. Кошка не пострадала, и ее в целости доставили в приют. Спасибо этим неравнодушным людям.
I drove out to see if we could find any entangled seals. We saw the seal from quite far away. What made this one really tricky was the fact that he was firstly surrounded by another group of big seals. First attempt getting the net around his head, he shook it off. Just as he entered the water, I managed to actually get the net over his head. This happens so fast. So he's in the net. Now this guy had at least 45 strands of thick commercial fishing line around his neck. It's really tight. You could hear he was struggling to breathe. It is impossible to hold or restrain a seal that size by hand. Seals are not aggressive animals by nature, ever. Only time you get a seal aggressive is if you block his access to the ocean or if you confront him on land. See those lines I can feel? We always run the risk of getting bitten, especially during the rescue part. Yeah. Bite that from an animal that size can be really dangerous. He could take your whole arm off. Feels free. You can see as we pull him out the net, he snaps back at me. I really have to jump back to not get bitten. Okay. But this is a risk we are aware of, and it's a risk we're willing to take in order to save these animals' lives. They did not choose this. This is human negligence. This is not their own fault in any way.